Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to share two fall air dry clay projects that I made. One is a set of pumpkin candle holders for like tea light candles, and the other is a pumpkin spice latte trinket dish. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for this first air dry clay project, you're going to want to grab whatever clay you're using and then roll it into a ball. You should end up with something that looks like this, and now I'm going to press it down against the table to flatten it a little bit. And then now I'm just going to smooth it out with some water. I'm taking a wood molding tool and I'm going to carve in the lines on the pumpkin. Make sure to smooth this out with some water as you're working, and then keep carving in those lines until you're happy with the results. I'm taking this tea light candle and I'm going to put it on top of my pumpkin to see where I need to carve out the clay so that it can fit in there. And I'm also going to press down on it so I can see how much of the clay I need to carve out. And then taking a loop tool, I'm just going to start carving out some of that clay. Right here, I'm checking to make sure that the candle fits in there. Once again, blend everything out with some water. And then one last time before I let this dry, I'm checking to make sure that the candle fits inside there, and make sure to make the hole just a little bit bigger than the candle because air dry clay shrinks and you want to be able to still fit your candle in there once this is dry. I also made a taller pumpkin candle and another round one but bigger than the first one I made.
2 days later.
So here are the pumpkins dry, and now I'm going to sand them. Next, I'm going to paint my pumpkins, and I decided to go with some classic fall colors, but you could paint these however you'd like. Lastly, I'm going to seal these with Deco Art's matte varnish. Okay guys, so for our second fall air dry clay project, I bought this outline on Etsy. I'll make sure to link this for you guys in the description box if you want to use it. Anyways, I traced it out to the size I wanted my trinket dish to be so that I could use this as my stencil. Roll out your clay and then place the stencil on top and trace it out. I also made sure to trace out the big details in the cup. We'll go in for the smaller ones in a little bit. Roll out more clay, and now I'm going to trace out the sleeve on the cup with the pumpkin. I'm going to attach the sleeve onto the cup, and I'm also going to make sure to blend everything out with some water. Once again, roll out more clay, and now I'm going to trace out the whipped cream and the rim of the coffee cup. Now I'm going to attach the whipped cream and the rim of the cup to my cup, and the little scratches you guys see me adding are to help them stick together. Make sure to blend this all out with some water. And I placed this on a little plate because I wanted this to curve up very slightly, so now I'm going to let this dry for a few days.
Early the next morning.
Here's our little pumpkin spice latte dry, and now I'm going to sand it. Next, I'm going to paint, and you guys can paint this with whatever colors you want. The last thing I'm going to do is seal this with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!